Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, excellencies. It is my pleasure to welcome you very cordially on behalf of the United Nations in Bonn and the International Human Dimensions Program to the third day of the 7th International IHDP Open Meeting on the Human Dimensions of Global Environmental Change. This is a special day for us today. It is very much a science policy interface day. On this third day of our international conference, we are focusing on the aspects of social cohesion and equity in times of rapid climate and other global change. And we are indeed also focusing on adaptation needs due to climate change. I'm very honored and particularly pleased to welcome a group of ambassadors from small island states to the United Nations in New York. And I would like to thank very cordially the Federal Foreign Office of the Republic of Germany for making this possible, and also the Goethe Institute here in Bonn for arranging this visit. So I hope you feel welcome. Thank you very much for being here with us today. After this plenary, we will have other fora and a lot of occasion to engage with you. And it is absolutely vital and important for us to bring you together with leading experts and scientists from all over the world working on issues around social equity, sustainable development, climate change, and certainly adaptation. And I'm really looking forward to engaging in a dialogue with you today. I would like to introduce to you the chair of this session this morning, Professor Martin Perry. I think most of you know Martin. He was some time ago a chair of the Human Dimensions Program. He has been affiliated closely with the IPCC as a co-chair of Working Group 2, and he is now back in London as a professor. Martin, the floor is yours.
Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another interesting day in this open science meeting of the IHDP. It's my job to moderate this morning, and I'm very fortunate to have a distinguished audience, of course, yourselves, but also a distinguished set of speakers. What I want to do is to run these short presentations together, if I may, not take discussion after each of them, but after we have run those presentations together, then to take comment or questions and discussions from any of you, ambassadors and all of you. If you think about that, and I've asked speakers specifically to leave us time, if you will, for that discussion, which is important. And just to alert them and put a little bit of pressure on them, I'll tell you as an audience that when you see me holding up a card facing them, it will say 1 minute to them, if you see what I mean. But the peer pressure, of course, comes from you. So with 10 to 12-minute presentations on a wide range of issues, but specifically focusing on social issues arising from the pressures of global environmental change, specifically climate change. The first presentation is by Wolfgang Schmidt, who is Managing Director of GTZ. GTZ is essentially the unit that is distinct from government but spends German government money on overseas development. It's the largest of any national overseas development departments in terms of its spending and manpower. And he's going to speak on climate change, adaptation and development. What is at stake? Wolfgang Schmidt.